live from the Ed Sullivan Theater. It's Benjenda!
Yeah, thank you. So today, welcome to the Benjenda Show. I'm your host, and today I have a very special surprise for you all. Talented actor Evan White is on today. Let's give it up for him.
Thanks, guys. It's quite the honor. So, what are we making today?
Alright, today we are going to get into some brownies.
Hey, my mom made some bomb diggity brownies back when I was a kid, you know.
Alright, yeah, I'm really excited to try out this recipe today. I haven't had it myself, so let's get into this. So to start off, we're going to need 1.64 moles of flour, which would convert from 2 cups. So let's get 1 in there.
And then let's get another cup.
Yeah, all this needs to get out of here. There we go. Alright. That's you, my friend.
And cup number 2. Ugh.
Might be a little bit, yeah.
Yeah, might, even that.
You got it. Alright.
Alright. That's 2
2
cups or 1.64 moles.
Alright, next, what do we got? We have to get that sugar in there. Same, that would also be 2 cups, but 2 cups of sugar would be 2.23 moles. So we're going to have to get into that sugar. And, there we go.
Alright.
Good stuff. That's about a cup right there. Let's drop that in there. So that's 1, and then we'll get 2 out of there. If your method might have been a little bit
better,
stronger there, yeah. Here, let's do that. And then we have 2 big cups of flour.
That's salt. Sugar.
Yes, sugar. Excuse me. Excuse us. Next, we're going to get into the cocoa powder, which would be 3/4 of a cup, which we actually have right there. 2/3. I actually see all of them except 3. Okay. Cocoa powder, 3/4 of a cup. Let's get that out of there.
Need some help, buddy?
I think I might.
Okay.
I don't want to pour it out all too fast. I don't want it to...
Might have to mash it up a little bit.
Yeah, there you go.
And pour. There we go. Now we cook with gas.
A little bit more than that, I think.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, that might suffice.
Alright, that should be good.
Okay. Let's go ahead and dump this in there.
And then up next, we have 1 teaspoon of baking powder, also known as 0.01 moles of baking powder.
Oh, excuse us. That the 0.94 moles of chocolate powder would have been 3/4 of a cup. So next we have, yes, our
baking powder,
which would be 0.01
moles.
Yes. So 1 teaspoon, excuse me. We open this up here and get that in there. And then we'll dump that in there. And then next we need
1 teaspoon of salt, also known as 0.01 moles of salt, or NaCl, if you want to get technical.
Alright, so let's get the salt over here. Open that up. Okay. No, I got it here. We'll do that.
The other way might be more effective.
Yeah, that might be better.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. That's 1.
And then next, we need 1 cup of water.
Yes, but first I think, and then after that we're gonna have 1 cup of water, and which would be 13 moles, as a matter of fact. So we'll wash this out here, and then fill it up with water. It's about 1 cup of water.
Mm-hmm.
Dump that in there. And after that, we are going to need
1 cup of vegetable oil, which is 0.66 moles of vegetable oil.
So this is up to you, buddy.
All right. Ooh. It's 1 cup of vegetable oil. Let's
Yes, sir.
get to dumping.
Yep, and then after that, our 0.66 moles of vegetable oil, we are going to need
1
teaspoon of vanilla
extract.
which would be 0.02 moles. So we will get that opened up, pour it. Ooh, okay. Carefully, not too much. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then our own little added bit of the recipe is going to be one cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, which is going to be 1.25 moles. So we are going to get the chocolate chips right here. Get our cup. Use this since the other is filled with water. 1, 2, 3 to have 1 cup. And then we are going to get to mixing.
And now we're back. So now my co-anchor Benjamin Janda will start mixing all of the ingredients together. Let's hit it.
So we're going to get to mixing here. This is low, yeah.
Wait. And we're back again. So now we're about to just pour the mixing ingredients into the greased pan, and we'll be ready to rock and roll.
Yeah, so that's looking really even and really good.
Looks scrumptious.
It does. The batter looks edible, extremely edible, which is a good sign.
Oh, you wouldn't want it to be non-edible.
Oh yeah, no. Sometimes baking projects around here do not always turn out, but this time I think we have a real winner.
Yep.
So we're just going to continue to get that in there.
Hey, look at this. Looking pretty good. This is our final product. Now we're just going to pop it in the oven real quick. And now we play the waiting game.
Alright, so now our brownies are done. We're going to go ahead and take these out. See how these boys are looking. They look pretty mean, pretty good. We're going to close this up, turn the light off. I'm going to lay them out right here to cool. And they're looking great.
And what's this? Please hold. Okay. Alright. Okay, that's good. Alright, I just spoke with the executives, and they said we have time for one quick question. Ben, would you like to draw a question?
Let's do this. Alright. So, we're going to open, that one is open. So it reads, why did we use moles in our baking instead of grams per cup?
Well, I'm glad you asked that question. We use stoichiometry, or converting grams into moles, because our executive producers wanted to teach you all a lesson. Ha! Just kidding. The real reason that we use moles is because the whole purpose of today was teach you, our audience, and our millions of viewers about stoichiometry.
That's right, Evan. Stoichiometry is important because it measures quantitative relationships and it is used to determine the amount of products and reactants that are produced or needed in the given reaction. So, in this scenario, the experiment was baking brownies, which we have right over there.
So, in conclusion, this was a fun, quote-unquote, and tasty experiment. What we did was we converted all of the before we started baking, we converted all of the ingredients into moles, as seen in this chart. And then from there, we kind of cooked it all up and popped it in the oven, popped it out. And so then our final product looks something like this. Bang!
Alright, so audience and viewers, thank you for coming out today. We had a great show. Let's give it up for Evan over here.
Thank you.
And we'll see you all in the next show.
Alright, have a good weekend, and God bless America.
Go Bells!